Hey, I got you this.
Oh,
I remember you said he shreds his toys, so I got you something that would last.
you remember me saying that? I just gotta lay some towels and we can go. Is that a seat cover?
Yeah, so you don't have to lay towels when he gets muddy. Is that too much?
I've always wanted one of those. Oh, it's kind of hot out.
Yeah, hopefully this cooling blanket helps.
This is a cooling blanket?
Yeah, I don't want Oliver to get too hot. Ow, what?
Sorry, I just had to make sure you're real.
I just need to grab something really quick.
Okay.
You said you need more photos for your wall, right? Now Oliver just needs one more thing. A picture
Dad.
frame. What?
A picture frame. That's exactly what I was thinking.